Hello guys, Jain. Welcome to S Online. In this particular video, we will see the most important advertisement released by the NPCIL. That means Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Okay. Detailed advertisement for recruitment of executive trainee 2026 through GATE 2024, 2025 and 2026. Last date for receipt of online application is 30 for 2026. So let's see what are important details in this important advertisement. First is you have to know that category wise breakup of vacancies. Okay, and you have to apply for this important vacancies, important application in between 10 for 2026 to 30 for 2026. Okay. Current vacancies in out of all these important disciplinary branches, 126 for UR, 31 EWS, 48 SC, 24 ST, OBC non-creamy layer, 85, total 314. Backlog vacancies 16. Out of them 12 for OBC, 4 for SC. Okay. Total vacancies 126 for UR, 31 for EWS, 52 for SC, 24 ST, 97 OBC and total 330. Okay, let's see the discipline and category wise breakup of these vacancies. Mechanical, total vacancies for UR 48, okay, and EWS for 12, SC 20, ST 8 and OBC non-creamy layer 37 and total number of vacancies for mechanical branch all categories 125. For chemical 40 total, electrical 65, electronics 50, instrumentation 15 and civil 35. Total 330. Okay, 330 total vacancies released by the important NPCIL advertisement. Next more, you have to know, it is not important for you all. Now, you have to know important dates about this important advertisement recruitment. Commencement of online application will start from 10/4/2026. That means it was started yesterday. Last date of submission 30/4/2026 till 16 hours. Okay. Payment of application 10/4/2026 to 30/4/2026. A non-refundable fee of ₹500 is chargeable only to male applicants belonging to general, that means UR, EWS, OBC categories. Okay, female applicants and applicants belonging to SC and ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen, dependents of defense personnel killed in action, .PKIA and employees of the NPCIL are exempted. So, if you are belonging from AWS, general category and OBC, then you have to pay ₹500 non-refundable application fee. Eligibility criteria, here it is mentioned. BE and BTech and BSc engineering with 5 years integrated MTech with a minimum of 60% aggregate marks in one of the 6 engineering disciplines mentioned in the table below from the university or deemed university or institute recognized by the AICTE or UGC. As you know that minimum of 60% of marks means 2 marks as per the ordinance of the respective universities. Okay, that means you have to secure only 60% of your graduation marks, that means your engineering background. Next is, this is very important. Engineering degrees allowed for each disciplines are as follows. If you are completed your engineering degree with discipline advertised, that means mechanical, then disciplines acceptable as per prescribed qualification in mechanical and production also. In chemical, then chemical and electrochemical engineering also mentioned. Okay, electrical and electronics both are also included in this disciplines acceptable. Okay, electronics all these important branches are included. Instrumentation, these important branches are included, and in civil, only civil candidates are in this only important discipline. Okay, so you have to know these important terms about NPCIL. Now let's see. Age limit. Age limit for those candidates who are belonging from EWS, economically weaker section, and general, then 26, and born on or after 34/2000. OBC, non-creamy layer, 3-year relaxation as per the union government rule and regulation, 29 and 34/90/97. SC/ST, 5 years relaxation, 34/90/95. That means total 31-year age limit is required. Person with benchmark disability, degree of disability 40% and above, relaxation 10 years. Okay, 36, 39, 41 and 31 for all these important categories. So you have to know the upper age limit also for NPCIL advertisement. Training, this is also important. The selected candidate will be required to undergo 1 year orientation training in any of the training facilities as follows. These are important training facilities: pressurized heavy water reactor stream, light water reactor stream. Okay, so these are important training facilities. Placement. After successful completion of training and subsequently during the service of NPCIL, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, the executive trainees may be posted at any DAE established at any location in India or abroad depending on organizational requirements. Okay, however, initial posting of majority of ETs for pressurized heavy water reactor stream may be predominantly at operating stations. So you have to know, if you completed your training, then you have to posted in India and out of India, both will be included. Stipend during the training. You will get 74,000 monthly stipend during training and one-time book allowance 30,000. Included mandatory lodging and boarding and accommodation as per the provided by NPCIL. So this is very important. Pay on appointment as SOC. Level 10, 56,100 pay matrix and 58% of pay in the pay matrix as of 1/7/2025. Okay, and all allowances are also included: transport allowance, house rent allowance, leased accommodation facilities, housing and site location allowance. So these are all important allowances and important benefits. Miscellaneous benefits are also included: incentives, loan and advances, retirement benefits, social security schemes. So this is very important for your future and also for your upcoming life. Okay, career prospect in NPCIL, yes, very important for your life. Now this is very important. Bond. Selected candidates are required to execute an agreement of personal indemnity bond of rupees 9,18,000. Okay, 18,000, and a service bond to serve NPCIL for at least 3 years after successful completion of training. No third party surety is required. Bond amount comprised of 12 months stipend, that means 74,000 into 12, plus one-time book allowance 30,000. So you have to indemnity bond amount 9,18,000, required to execute an agreement, a personal indemnity bond of rupees 9,18,000. Okay, selection procedure, here it is mentioned. You have to secure 70% if you are belonging from unreserved category. Okay, EWS, SC, ST, OBC and PWBD candidates 60%. For final selection will be done on the basis of performance in the personal interview subject to medical fitness. Okay, this is for medical fitness. Preparation and operation of wait list, interview schedule, venue. Yes, this is also important. You have to know the interview schedule. Okay, interview will be scheduled on Mumbai, Narora Atomic Power Station, Uttar Pradesh, Madras Atomic Power Station, Tamil Nadu, Kega, Karnataka, and candidates are advised to indicate preference of the venue appear for interview in the online application form. So you have to provide your details. Okay, preference of venue of appear in the online interview, online application form. Okay. Verification of documents. You have to produce date of birth related proof for 10th standard passing certificate or school leaving certificate, qualification mark sheet indicating for the date, declaration of result, and final degree certificate, provisional passing certificate in case final degree certificate is not issued. So you have to produce all these important documents at the time of document verification. Okay, so this is important. Traveling allowance for interview. You will get traveling allowance. Language for personal interview will be choice of the answering question, either Hindi or English. Medical fitness, yes, it is also important. Offer for traineeship. How to apply? At first, you have to know how to apply for this important advertisement. Registration number provided on admit card for GATE 2024, GATE 2025 and GATE 2026 as per case may be issued by GATE authority has to be used for applying in NPCIL. Okay, that means if you have GATE registration number 2024, 2025 and 2026, then you are eligible to apply for this important advertisement, important vacancy. Candidates need to ensure that they fill the GATE registration number correctly and apply for the relevant discipline in the online application form requested for correction in GATE registration number or discipline will not be entertained. That means you have to fill the detail carefully. Okay, instruction for applying online, these are also mentioned here. Last date, you have to know the application form will be available in website from 10/4/2026 to 30/4/2026, 16 hours. Before applying, online candidates should scan of his or her photographs in JPEG format. Okay, not more than 50 KB and pixel is also mentioned, and 10 KB of their signature in JPEG format. Okay, and the important documents also required. So this is the detail. How can you apply? And payment fee, yes, we discussed is sometime before 500 for general candidate, EWS and OBC. Female candidate, PWBD and SC/ST candidates are exempted. Okay. So this is important advertisement released by the NPCIL. So you have to know the important details. If you want to know the details in Hindi form, then it is also uploaded in the official website in NPCIL. So stay tuned with us. We will meet after some time. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.